thank you for your appreciation to my channel. This tutorial will show you how to make rose earring. It's beautiful, isn't it? I hope you like and enjoy watching this video. Don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share my video. And now let's prepare the material that we will use to make this earring. The materials are organza fabric, bead cup, glass bead, candle, lantern, hairpin, ear hook, glue and glue gun, soldering iron. The first step, you make a pattern for flower petal. The length 4 cm and the weight of 4 cm. You put on the fabric, organza fabric, and you take soldering iron and you cut the fabric with soldering iron. Like this. You take candle and lantern and you melt the edges of the fabric like this. Like this. You need 30 petals to make a pair of earrings, and each earring you need 15 petals. Petal like this. You take hairpin and glass bead. You insert and give glue. Like this. And you arrange the flower petal to form a rose. Fifteen petals. You arrange one by one. You arrange and to form a rose flower. Each earring needs 15 flower petals. So you can make, I need a blue color here. If you need red, depend on you. Like this. Like this. This is a rose flower. And you take a bead cup like this. You take a bead cup and you insert one more glass bead. You insert and you cut. You bend 90 degrees. And the rose earring has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.